Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Joel today, and we talk about a newer product that we brought to market. Joel, what are we talking about?
What we got here is Precision's part number clip kit. What we've done, we've taken 37 popular windshield clips and cowl fasteners and put them into one easy to transport box. Each compartment is labeled as Precision's part number, which makes reordering extremely easy. We also produced a flyer to show highlights of the kit, and also the part numbers and applications.
And we did this to try to make your life as an installer a little bit easier, a little more efficient. If you have any other ideas like this that could help you out, please let us know.